Hi there, welcome back. I've had a couple of requests for a Madeira Loaf cake. One lady has asked me to make it a number of times, so that's what I'm going to make today. This is a really lovely cake, very similar to a Victoria sandwich. Most of the ingredients are exactly the same. The only real difference is in how you make it. With a Victoria sandwich, you normally cream the butter and sugar together, then you add your eggs, whisk them in, and then your flour. But with this one, we're going to put everything into one bowl. So I'm going to start with sugar, eggs, I use medium eggs, the zest of a lemon, some butter, and my butter is nice and soft, you can see that, milk, a little bit of vanilla extract, and some self-raising flour. Before I whisk it up, I wanted to mention a couple of changes you can make to this cake if you wanted something a little bit different. The first one is ground almonds. You can add ground almonds, and if you want to do that, I would replace 50 grams of the flour with 50 grams of ground almonds. Another ingredient people like to include is cherries. They're lovely in it. What I would do is I'd wash the cherries, wash that syrup off the cherries, dry them, cut them in half, and then roll them in a little bit of flour and then put them into your cake. This will help stop them from sinking to the bottom. Almond extract is another ingredient some people like to use. So I'm going to mix this up now. My mixture is ready now, it's nice and soft, and that's the kind of consistency you want. Pop that to one side. I'm using a 2-pound loaf tin today. I've greased it a little and lined it with some greaseproof paper. And all that's left to be done is to get it into the tin. And that's it. Just smooth the top, make sure it goes right out to the edges and the corners. And that's it, ready for the oven. It's going to take about 50 to 60 minutes, so let's get it into the oven now. My Madeira cake is fully baked. It's a lovely golden colour. I took it out of the oven about an hour ago, so it's nice and cool now. A couple of small cracks in it, but they're minor. You tend to get cracks in loaf cakes like this. So I'm going to get this out of the tin now. And let's remove the paper off it. I can smell the lemon. It smells beautiful. Look at that. That is a beautiful Madeira cake. Now all that's left to be done is for me to cut a couple of slices of it now. We just get a nice sharp knife and we'll start to cut. My kids are looking forward to trying this. Look at that, a nice soft centre there. Let's cut another slice. Cuts really well as well. Oh, that does smell beautiful. How nice and soft that is. Lovely texture. Nice crunchy top and a lovely soft centre. And there it is, my Madeira cake. A beautiful lemon flavoured cake. Lots of memories of having this when I was younger. Tastes as good as it did back then. Absolutely delicious. Try it out and I really hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Happy baking, everyone. Enjoy.